Bachelor of Theology from Christian Bible Institute from 2006 to 2017 in Assemblies of God, Oroquita City. Later, he joined as one of the teachers of the same school. And as a young man and teacher, he concurrently served to lead the youth department of the same church. With his faithfulness and dedication to his life's assignment, he is promoted and brought to Cebu City to lead a bigger and challenging tasks. To become the senior pastor of the Emmanuel Fellowship that meets in Ayala Center, Cebu City every Sunday. We are confident that his experiences, faith in God, and focus on his assignments will inspire these young graduates and us too to find direction in life. It is my honor to have him here as our graduation speaker, Pastor Ray Mendez Manlagin.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, especially to our school principal, Mrs. Nema F. Jimenez, to our school administrator, Ms. Annabel P. Esquina, to the members of the school board. Good morning, and of course to my co-guests this morning, Pastors Julius and Aloha Rivera. Good morning. And of course to the hardworking faculty and staff, and to the proud parents, and most importantly the class of 2026, the graduates. Once again, a pleasant morning to everyone. Can we clap our hands for the Lord? Now, it is such a great honor for me to stand before you today on such a wonderful milestone. And this event is just a testament of growth and the grace of God. Earlier, I talked with Ma'am Nema, and we talked about how the Lord sustained your school, even through the pandemic. So again, this event is a testament of the grace of God. So now, before I begin, I want to express my gratitude to the committee or the school leadership for inviting me and being here with you again. Thank you for having me here in this graduation. And as I look at these young faces, I see more than just students in caps and gowns. I see future leaders. I see future doctors or teachers or maybe missionaries. And you know what? As I was preparing for this day, I couldn't help but think about my own family because, you know, I love your theme in this graduation, focus on your journey. And while I was preparing, I remember by the way, I have a 6-year-old son named Jared. And last year, I remember when he was in kindergarten in K2, his teacher showed me his report card. And we were so glad because he had good grades. Of course, parents, we would love to see good grades of our kids, right? I was so happy because he had good grades and the comments about him were wonderful by his teacher. And the teacher commented that he is a kid who is always excited. Ano sila Pastor Julius and Ate Aloha. Anak ko yung na-remember bata Paliksi, and my son is like that. He's excited according to what his teacher. He's happy, he enjoys being in classroom, and he answers when asked with excitement. But there was a big but there. The teacher wrote, he needs to focus a bit more in class. He is distracted. Now everyone say focus. We all need focus because there will be distractions. So I believe Jared's teacher, my son's teacher, was right. And this is not just for a 6-year-old, but for all of us. If we are to finish the journey, we are to focus. And the way to do that is we need to learn how to deal with distractions.